Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking for You. Are you craving out for something sweet but you can't cook for so long? Yeah, obviously sweets takes so long to cook. But what if I say you a quick recipe to make sweet at home with so less ingredients? Yes, that is vermicelli sweet, Semiya ka mitha, right? This you can make at home with very few ingredients and with very super duper quickly. So let's get head into the video and make it right now. Let's start making Semiya Kheer Vermicelli Kheer. Vermicelli dessert. For that, in an pan, add milk to it. Stir and let it boil. When the milk comes to boil, add roasted vermicelli to it. Stir it well because we don't want any lumps to form in it. Boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add cardamom to it. Cook it completely. When you see the milk is getting absorbed in vermicelli, let's leave it off. Add in another pan ghee. Add some dry fruits like raisins. Roast them. Add cashew nuts. Roast them back again. Let it become golden brown. You can add as many dry fruits you like. Now put it into the vermicelli milk. Now you can see the milk has got thick. That's it, it's done. So did you just see how simple and easy it is to make vermicelli sweet at home? So try it now. Make sure to give us a like, share and comment. See you again. Thank you.